Hello everyone. I am going to attempt to pick this Sargent Keso on camera. I'll leave them out for now. What I've done, excuse the sniffle, I've taped a 40 thousandths and a 50 thousandths pry bar together. Gives me a little bit of a ramp to work off of here at the bottom. This lock is really a game of patience. I've been spending, every few days I break it out and play with it for anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, and just yesterday I was able to actually get it picked, which kind of blew my mind. I was never expecting to open it. So today, I want to try to get this on camera. It is incredibly easy to overset these pins. Now, the last time I picked it, the top pins were the last thing to bind. Still seems to be the case. I wish I could narrate better what was going on in here, but you don't really get any feedback. Like, you're not going to get any real clicks, you're not going to get any rotation, counter rotation, none of that. As far as I can tell, there's no security pins. It's just that they overset incredibly easy. I'm easing off tension to let a couple of pins pop out, because they were surely overset. Oh, losing tension. Shit. Alright. See if I have something a little more suitable. It's just too high. You know what? Let me turn this thing upside down. Make sure the key still works. All right. There we go. That is a Sargent Keso picked you can see that. Now let me show you that the anti-drill pin or roll pin is still intact, so it cannot be gutted or disassembled. Now I will unzoom and remove these back two screws just to see if I can pull it out so we can see the other roll pin. Shit. Oh, wait, I do have a flathead. Got this from, oh, make sure my arm's not in the way there. Got this from my buddy Black Dolphin 90. Okay. I think this bit might work. It's a can opener, but it should do it. Now I'm not gonna destroy the lock for two reasons. A, I'm at work, I don't have my drill with me. But, oh, let's not lock it up. Well, I do have the key, but I still don't want to lock it up. Still want to show it picked. Now, I don't think pulling this off is going to get us anywhere, because I don't think, yeah, with the anti-drill, with the roll pin in there, you can't pull the core out. So there's no way for me to do that without drilling this. And then once I get that out, I believe I have to drill another spot in the core to be able to pull that out. But there it is. Sargent Keso picked. And I rotated it the wrong direction. I'll sort that out in a minute. Maybe. Oh well, I don't even care at this point. Well, I do, but I think I may have messed up. Oh no, never mind. It's still picked. Well, I'm excited about that. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. There it is, locked back up. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the Sargent Keso mortise cylinder. Everyone, have a great day. Thanks for your time. I know it was a really long video. Oh, there's our key bitting, by the way. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day, and I will see you later.